The price of one Cardano/ADA coin right now is $0.8018. It's gone up 6% in the past 24 hours. 50.15% of the time, the price of ADA ended higher than it started the day. One ADA have reached a high point of $2.98 in our base 2 years and 6 months ago. The price is now minus 730.06% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, 12 say to buy and 3 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term forecast sentiment is bullish. The first big level of resistance for the ADA rise is at $0.8786. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. The lowest level of support is at $0.7828. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.7828. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is now at 65.63, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 46.65, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. The price of Cardano is above all of its 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages right now. 4 times out of 7, the price of ADA on the last day of March was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 7, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. For 8 years in a row, December has been Cardano's best month. 4 times as much ADA was worth at the end of December as it was at the beginning of the month. 6 times out of 8, the price at the end of September was less than the starting price. September is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. Cardano had 2 bull runs. The first one started in January 2018 and ended 803 days later at $1.33. The price then dropped to its lowest point at $0.0263 before the next bull run. Since January 2018, it took about 4 years to hit a new all-time high. There have been 924 days since the last bull run in September 2021. The last time ADA hit a new all-time high, it took 1,318 days. Based on our Cardano price estimate, the value of ADA could reach $0.9483 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think the price will reach $1.52 in 2025 and $3.04 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $9.69. It is thought that Cardano will be worth $1.52 in 2025. That's how much we think ADA will go up, and that's how much we think it will go down.